Good morning everyone, welcome to another moving vlog. This is my second moving vlog. I'll link the first one down below. I move in 3 days from now and I have not packed really anything. Yikes. This is not at all like me. Normally I do things so far ahead of time that it's almost inconvenient how far ahead of time I do things, but I've been really putting this off and procrastinating a lot. Let me show you what my apartment looks like and what we need to pack. I haven't packed anything in my kitchen and I think that's what's stressing me out the most. I know there's a lot of stuff in here. I also haven't packed anything in my laundry room. This looks so bare. I sold my desk on Facebook Marketplace that was right here. I sold one of these shelves and then someone is coming tomorrow to pick up this table and chairs and then a full-length mirror that I have in my bedroom. This right here is a bin of Goodwill stuff. I have so many books I'm gonna donate to Goodwill. I just don't really have a place for them anymore. My new apartment is smaller than this one, so I'm trying to downsize and get rid of some things. I have some picture frames that I have no place for, some books, some blankets, shoes, hats, things like that in there. I think I'm gonna go drop this off to Goodwill. I just need to make sure that they're open. This is my bedroom. My bed's not made. I haven't packed my bathroom and I haven't packed my closet. One thing that I did do, this took me 2 seconds maybe, is I put all my shoes in these bins and then I try to put all my purses into one big purse. That's really all I've done since the last moving vlog. I think I want to drop off that bin to Goodwill. That can be the first thing that I do. I just need to make sure that they're open. I feel like if I was already going out, I might as well bring a few things over. So I brought over 2 boxes. I have another box in my car that I need to bring up and then we'll go to Goodwill. I just figured why not if I'm already out. Just dropped off those boxes. Now we are off to Goodwill. I have a bin and a trash bag back there filled with stuff to donate. Just dropped off my stuff. It's like 110 out, so I'm dripping in sweat, but I'm glowing. No, I'm just kidding. Back in my apartment, I thought the next thing I could do is my closet. So I just did all my laundry and I hung up everything. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put trash bags over all my clothes so I can leave them on the hanger. This is a really great tip if you're moving somewhere, not out of state, not somewhere where you're flying and need to pack everything into a suitcase. It keeps all your stuff together and on the hanger so you don't have to take it off. It's very convenient, so all you do is just bag it up with a trash bag. So we're gonna do that.
I called on a Monday, waiting for a sign, just sitting in my barrel. I got lost in the tide.
Okay, I might have messed up. I was planning on going through my clothes and picking out a few things to wear for the last couple of days and for my move, and all my workout tops are tied up. And I have to be honest, doing this is always a lot more work than I remember it being. This took me an entire episode of Modern Family to do. Last minute I pulled out a few tank tops, but they're not like workout tops, so I'll probably just sweat through them. I don't know. But I'm glad that I have all of this done. Now I need to do all of this. I think I'm gonna put it in a suitcase. I think that's what makes the most sense.
Waiting for answers, so I can just die. Happily ever after, even just for a night. Whoa, I need a lifeline. Whoa.
So I just packed up my jeans, my shorts, some like loungewear in my suitcase. I'm glad that I was able to do that because it saves me one less box that I need to pack up or to buy. I still have some more stuff in my dresser. Okay, I have my leggings and stuff like that, but most of the drawers in here are empty, which feels very nice.
Followed up on Tuesday, after staying up all night. Got nothing but silence at the end of the light. Feeling all this pressure, yeah, coming up short. Feeling all
I just packed up all my makeup in one of those like little travel bag things that I have. This thing right here. And then I remembered I had this thing that I bought when I went to Europe. It's one of these little hanging makeup product organizers, and I put like my makeup brushes and other products that I had kind of laying in this drawer right here, and any other thing that wouldn't fit in this guy. So yeah, I don't know if this will zip. We'll see. Should we try? Oh no. Moment of truth. You know, this might not have been the best idea. Oh wait, I think this is gonna work. Oh, this is totally working. It's just like a little snug. It worked. Yay! Yay! And then I can also put some things in here. I don't think I have anything in here right now. Yeah, just any last minute things can go in there. Somebody must have been moving into this apartment, the one that I'm moving out of, because outside of our trash chute, there was a bunch of broken down boxes. So I was like, don't mind if I do. So I got 3 free boxes. And they're not gross or anything. I like made sure. And then I just taped the bottom up so I can start packing stuff in them. But I was like, thank you to whoever moved in here that didn't throw their boxes in the correct place. Because you're supposed to break them down and put them downstairs in the garage by like the trash bins. And they just kind of left them outside a trash chute. So they were gonna throw them away or recycle them anyway. So why not me use them? Next up, I think that I want to start packing up my bathroom. I went through it recently. I did like a little spring cleaning video, so I got rid of a lot of stuff. And there's still some stuff that I'm planning on not packing because I need it for the next few days that I'm living here, but I think that I need to start packing this up. The biggest thing that I'm pushing off is my kitchen. That's gonna be the most time consuming, but I'm also gonna be cooking and stuff like these next couple days. I feel like I'm a broken record of talking about how I just keep pushing it off, but I need to do it. I just don't want to right now. We're in my laundry room right now. I don't have a ton of stuff in my bathroom, but I also want to leave some of my cleaning supplies behind so I can clean my apartment after I move out of it so I can get my deposit back, or I don't even know if I paid for a deposit, but I want to clean this apartment before I leave it. So I thought that I could do a bin. Ta-da! A bin that is half laundry room stuff and half bathroom stuff. I have a bunch of random stuff in this laundry room, and by random stuff I mean like I have my Cricut and like Easy Press and stuff like that, and I didn't know where to pack that, so I think it could share a bin with my bathroom. I was afraid that would happen.
Trying not to get hurt. Whoa, I need a light.
This was a lot more stuff than I thought it was going to be, so I think that I'm going to just take this and then go to my bathroom and put the rest of the stuff. I don't even know what I want to do with all this stuff. I rarely ever use it, so I might give it to my sister.
To help me get it right. Need a lifeline. To help me get it right.
Is it perfect? No. Am I afraid that some of these things will bust open and spill everywhere? Absolutely. But I locked the lids and I tried twisting on everything as high as I possibly could, so fingers crossed. We're just gonna hope for the best. I'm sure this thing is, yep, very heavy. Very, very heavy. Has no organization to it at all, but it has everything.
Sitting here thinking about what I like. I don't wanna be.
Just filled up this little box. This is a small box with stuff from my nightstand and just random stuff around my apartment, from my laundry room, from some of the drawers in my kitchen cabinet. Basically, if there's like a little crack in here where I could fit something, I tried to. So we have this in here. I'm really happy about that. Oh, that makes me realize I need better posture. How's this? Woo! I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I have my dishwasher running right now, so I'm going to clean all my dishes and then we're going to hopefully start packing up my kitchen, or at least the stuff that I don't think I'll be using in the next few days. I also packed up this box off camera. I thought I was recording and I wasn't, but that's all my to-do list inventory other than these two things right here. If you guys don't know, I run a small business where I sell to-do lists, stationery, things like that. So I have some of the stuff in here. Most of the to-do list inventory is at my storage unit right now. This is all that I had left, so I just packed that up. Someone is coming today to pick up my dining room table and then a full-length mirror that I have in my bedroom. So I think I'm going to take the dining table apart. The top is detachable from the bottom and it will not fit through my door unless I take it apart. So I thought I would just do it before they come. Just, it's convenient. I bought this thing off Facebook Marketplace and I actually had to take it apart myself, which turned out to be a much bigger hassle than I thought. So I'm just gonna do it for them. Hopefully they're okay with it. Okay, so I just messed up. I was trying to take this little command hook down. It peeled off all of the paint. I wasn't even trying to even like take it off like that. I wasn't even trying to rip it off. It just all came off so fast. Yikes.
It's for the better. I need to slow down. Easier than ever to live without. Don't want it out loud. Feeling it inside.
just finished up one kitchen bin, so I have a lot of like appliances and pots and pans and stuff like that in there. I'm probably gonna have two bins for my kitchen because I still have all my plates, and then I have a bunch of cups and glassware in here. I was trying to save it all to the end because I didn't want it all to break, so I have a bunch of dish towels I'm gonna try to like stack with these. Hopefully that will go well. But other than that, most of my drawers are empty. Oh, see, that's my dish towels, but it looks pretty nice. It's going all right. Might even need 3 bins, who knows. The people from Facebook Marketplace just came and picked up the dining room table and the chairs and the other full-length mirror that I had. It feels so empty in here. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's so sad. It's making me realize how big this place is without any furniture. I'm currently still working on the kitchen. I just don't know how I want to do this bin because I'm afraid of everything breaking. I wrapped up all my glass cups, but I have so much more than I thought. And so it's a little bit more overwhelming than I anticipated. I thought it would all fit in there. Obviously this one is a little too tall, so I'll have to figure that out. But I just need to be smart about rearranging everything, and I just don't want it to break. So I'll just put a lot of fragile stickers on it. I have these things, just a lot. And when I moved into this apartment, everything was in boxes. Like I don't even think I owned half of this stuff. And all my glass cups, I think I might have had the glass cups, but they were in the box in the packaging. I didn't have to individually wrap all of them. So that is kind of where I'm like, I don't know how to do this because I haven't really done this before. Update, I cannot get this thing off my shower. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hello, it is the next day and we are back in my new apartment. I have a bin of stuff that I wanted to drop off here. I just had like a bunch of bigger things that I couldn't really close the lid for these bins, so I thought I would just drop them off if I'm already gonna drop off a few things. Just a ton of random stuff in here. Like I have my mirror, some lamps, shoes, bins, just a bunch of random stuff. Sheets. My movers are coming tomorrow, so I'm trying to do everything that I possibly can today to prepare for it. The more boxes that I move over, the cheaper the move process will be. It's not that big of a deal, but I just didn't know what to do with these things, so I thought I'd bring them over here and then bring the bin back. I also think that I'm going to go to U-Haul or some kind of store and get more boxes to move. I've actually been doing pretty well. Like I don't need that many more, but I just figured I'd rather have too many than not enough. This is what my closet of my new apartment looks like at the moment. So glad this is a bigger closet so I can put things in here. So I wasn't really sure where I was gonna put some of these things. These will go in my bedroom, but I don't have any furniture in there right now. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed, but it's fine. I'm just a person who stresses very easily. And then I'm gonna bring this bin back home with me so I can bring another load later with like more lamps and things like that. I'm in Home Depot right now. I had no idea this place was so popular on a Saturday morning. I went to U-Haul to get some boxes and there wasn't a single parking space open, so I just left. And now I'm in Home Depot. We found the boxes. I think I want like a medium-sized box, maybe like 3 of them. Wait, that says large. That is not big though, by any means. I think that one might be too big, so maybe large it is. I don't know what Lowe's. These were different sizes. They were cheaper at Lowe's, so I should have gotten them there, but you win some, you lose some. Oh, these are the medium-sized boxes. I might get maybe like 2 medium and 1 large. I don't need that many, but I do need some. But oh my goodness, you guys, this place is packed. Like I struggle finding parking here too. I'm like, what is going on here? And it's 4th of July weekend. Today's July 3rd. Normally everyone's out of Arizona. Everyone's like in California or something 4th of July weekend because it's always really hot here. And so I'm kind of shocked there's so many people here, but aside the point, I think I'll get a large one and like I said, 2 mediums. It might even be too much. I don't even think I need this many. I mean, it's only 3, but at least they don't have to be super heavy. I can like pack lighter stuff. I just changed out the light bulbs in my apartment, and in my opinion, I think it made a noticeable difference. The lights that came in my apartment are very warm toned, and I switched them out for like cooler white looking light bulbs because I thought it'd be better in my YouTube videos. This place is straight up yellow with these lights. It kind of blows my mind how big of a difference those lights actually made, which is why I want to change light bulbs in my new apartment, because it makes a big difference. It really does. The little things. And then my mom and my stepdad came really quickly, and they helped me take the TVs off the wall, which is something that I was not capable of doing on my own. Oh, what am I gonna do here? Am I just gonna spackle over these? I don't know. But I'm glad that I got that figured out before I needed to move. There's a couple more things that I need to do, and I'm glad that I bought those moving boxes because I think that will really help me out, but I'm kind of just feeling like procrastinating it all. It's also like 115 outside today, so it's just really hot. And I feel like when it's hot outside, I lack motivation. I feel like people always talk about how they lack motivation in the winter. In Arizona, it's the complete opposite. In the winter is when you're the most motivated because it's like nice outside. When it's hot outside, when it's summer, it's impossible to do anything. I know I have stuff to pack, but I don't know what to pack. Okay, I think that's it. I hope that I have everything packed up. I'm like slightly paranoid that I'm forgetting something, but if I forgot something, it is what it is. I will see you guys in the next one where I move into my apartment.